In this video I want to show how the lookup fields are used, how to select a valid entry from a lookup list, and how to add new items to the lookup lists. So let's look at the cost code. Here at the moment we have SW in this cost code for this vehicle. Suppose we have a new depot, NW, Northwest, and we want to assign this vehicle to the Northwest cost code. So we press the F12 key, the very top row of F keys on the keyboard, F12, list appears, and we notice that the item we want is not there yet. So we can use the add button to launch the cost code form. At the bottom of the screen are the navigation buttons, so we click add, put in NW Northwest, that's our new cost center. The yellow save button is highlighted, so we click save, it goes in, we can close this form. We now see that our new item is available on the list. We select it, we click OK, it's put it in on the vehicle information screen. Again, the button is highlighted in yellow to indicate we should save the data, so we save it. And that's how we select and enter new codes, and that operation is the same for all of the yellow lookup fields. Once we get to know the fields, it's sometimes quicker, rather than typing in the field, rather than looking up the field, we can simply type in. So if I type in here SW, press the tab key, you'll see that this is now looked up the code and the title has updated so that we're now indicating to us we've selected the valid code we want. If I typed something in here which was not a valid code, when I press the tab key it indicates that there's something wrong, it's an invalid code. So I can put back in a valid code, NW for Northwest or SW for Southwest, and in that way once I get to know a few of the frequently used codes, I can just type them in, press the tab key. If I happen to type it wrong, I'll get the red warning indicator, but if it's correct it will just go in and it will look up the associated description and display that just as a bit of feedback to make sure that I've entered the correct one. So we'll click save to save that. And that is how lookup fields work. So it's very easy to create new codes as you're going along, as you're entering vehicles or other information. If you need to enter a new lookup code, you can just enter it as you're entering the main information.